AMPX stock, Amprius Technologies Inc. It has been rallying since the 17th of October. That is Monday, the 17th of October. Today, the 19th, it gained 77.29%. At some point, it was actually more than that. 16.2 million shares across the tape, which is also above average. The stock has only been trading for about a month now. So the news behind today's rally is that the company has become the one of the first recipients of the Biden administration's bipartisan infrastructure law. So Amprius, a leader in ultra high energy density lithium-ion batteries with its Silicon Nanowire Anode Platform, today the 19th of October 2022, announced that the company was awarded a $50 million cost sharing grant from the US Department of Energy's Office of Manufacturing and Energy Supply Chains, MESC. Amprius is among the first set of companies to receive funding from President Biden's bipartisan infrastructure law to expand domestic manufacturing of batteries for electric vehicles and the electrical grid, whose focus is on the US-based processing of materials and components. Being among the first companies to receive a cost-sharing grant from the President's bipartisan infrastructure law reflects the significant work Amprius is doing to advance the lithium-ion battery industry here in the US, according to Dr. Kang Son, CEO of Amprius. According to him, their innovative technology was conceived at Stanford, designed and commercialized in the US, and now they are working to scale production capabilities to meet significant domestic demand and to accelerate the electrification of mobility with their ultra high density silicon nanowire anode lithium-ion batteries. Amprius' objective is to demonstrate the manufacturing of silicon nanowire anode technology at the component and cell level on multi-megawatt hour scale manufacturing lines that are capable comparable to those used in multi-gigawatt factories. This demonstration is expected to bring to maturity Amprius's manufacturing capabilities through the installation and operation of the first of its kind large-scale production line for its ultra-high energy density batteries. Okay, so yes, that's the news behind this rally, and we are projecting a modest move towards $13.18, but expect short sellers to pounce on this stock and see whether they're going to sell it short. So let's find out what the short interest for AMPX is. Let's see, because it's these guys are their technology is a lofty one. It's a lofty ambition. It's a lofty ambition. Their pursuit is a lofty one, and you normally should expect short sellers to be very, very skeptical about the company. So only 1.16% as is sold short, and then off exchange volume is 63.82. so let's see what the figure is here on AMPX. So AMPX, the short interest is not available. Okay, so far there isn't any skepticism, but it's also good to have skepticism towards this sort of company, because if everyone is jumping on the bandwagon, it's not as if it's wrong, but you definitely want skepticism, and the sort of skepticism that comes with a short interest is that money is locked up into those sort of skepticisms. So let's see whether we can have a look at the options pit and see what's going on there for AMPX, and see the sort of directions market participants are trying to, the sort of direction option traders are looking at. So while this comes up, we click on the options tab and we view full option. It's optionable, fortunately. Okay, so this is the October 21 series. What do we have? Okay, what do we have? Open interests, nothing significant there. On the call side of things, open interest is almost non-existent. On the put side of things, you can see there's more open interests there. There's more open interest there, even though, so there are no open interests as a matter of fact, but it's a day that it rallied 77%. So there are more volumes on this October 21 series. Okay, looking at the November 18 series. Okay, we have an open interest of 117 for the $10 strike. That one is already in the money. So on the 1250 we have an open interest of 109. The volume was 536. Is that an indication that maybe that's the next level? Well, you can say the stock is trading at 11 point or closed at 11.01. So naturally the $12, okay, we can actually expand all of this. Sorry, we didn't do that. Okay, that's about everything that's there. Okay, so naturally we expect that $12.50 will be the next strike. So if you see more volumes there or more open interest there, it's quite logical. So we can also see as well the 1250 there on the January 20. An open interest of 982. So yeah, maybe market participants are, to some option traders are to some extent expecting a move towards those directions. But look at also the options are not they're not, the liquidity is not not very good on these on these contracts, on these options. You can see the price of 130 on this November 18, and that's the bid. The ask is 130. £1, $1.3, and the bid is 0.75. So this is a huge spread. On the October 21, it's much better, much fairer, but it's still a lot. Okay, so in any case, our modest target is 13.18. If there are any changes, we'll definitely update you. Amprius on the move. It's benefiting from a $50 million grant. It's a $50 million grant for a, what is it called again? $50 million grant for a cost sharing grant. It's a cost sharing grant from the U.S. Department of Energy's Office of Manufacturing and Energy Supply Chains. Okay, so target, once again, a modest one, is 13.18, but it also seems that option traders may be projecting a move in that sort of direction, maybe towards 1250. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.